If you've got a pet that struggles getting up on the bed or the couch, or maybe you're just trying to save their joints, then this little folding ramp that the brand sent over to us for free to try out is going to be a game changer. What I love most is that it's already fully put together right out of the box. You just unfold it and pick the height that works for whatever your pet is trying to climb onto. There are actually 5 different height options, so whether it's the sofa or like the back seat of your car, it's easy to adjust. The surface has really great traction too. It's rubbery with grooves. It even has little bars for grip so your dog or cat won't slip, and it feels really solid. It's made from real wood and has these little rubber pads underneath so it doesn't slide all over the place. Our dog is almost 100 pounds and she goes up and down it with no problem. But when you're not using it, you can also just fold it flat and tuck it under the bed or behind the couch. It doesn't take up a lot of space at all. It's just that convenient. You can even throw it in the back of your truck or your trunk of your car. Honestly, it's one of those things that you don't know you need until your puppy really has a problem and you have to get something like this. This thing is so easy to use. It's great for our dog. I hope it's great for yours, and I hope this video helps.